everybody. Chirp number 3 for the day. Been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for 30 plus minutes. Time to twist it on up and throw some color on it. You have any prior plans for this one, or we're just playing it by ear? What's the plan? It's a medium. So, what do we have planned for this one? Spiral?
Yeah.
Other way. That's the back side. Oh no, yeah, you're right. You're right. Sorry. Got some of the long hairs in there, don't you?
It's a new pattern.
It's a new pattern. It's the Babe's Hair Special. The strands provide the perfect carrier for the dye. You get it off?
Wait, this isn't working out how I planned. There we go.
Reverse twist. Cool. So we have a reverse twist spiral.
There we go.
Perfect. What color do you think we're going to throw on this one?
So this one we're going to try a hot pink, turquoise, and lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. Cool.
I've not seen our friend lemon yellow in a while.
Do what?
I said we have not seen our friend lemon yellow in a while, have we?
No, we have not. We haven't used a lemon. Or the turquoise.
Yeah.
Got our 6 windows of wonderfulness. 6 wonderful windows. Banded upright. To the dyeing rack we shall go.
There we go. It's about as even as it's going to get.
Look at that splash of color. What color is that again?
This is hot pink.
Hot pink. We love the hot pink. That's one of our last variety too, isn't it? Last order at least.
Yes.
Color. Yeah. We've used it a few times. Ooh, made you jump. Wom. Yeah. Blue going on it too? It's turquoise, right? We have the yellow. The lemon yellow. Look at the size of that lemon yellow too. Ooh, buddy. Big jar of lemon yellow. I love it when those two mix together. That looks so good. And our turquoise, our turquoise. The blue, those are gonna make. I mean, the green, those are gonna make. It's gonna be so cool. Look at that. Oh man, nice rainbow lollipop for you. Pastel rainbow lollipop.
There we go. This is gonna look so good. This is one of my favorite color schemes.
Good old traditional tricolor rainbow.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah. We love the turquoise. It's definitely one of her favorites. Whereas I'm more of like a bluebird or glacier. She loves the turquoise, the turquoise. Flippity flop. To the other side, look at that green right there. Oh man, look at that. You get a little glimpse of what it's gonna look like there. Wait till you see the oranges that are created. It's gonna create some good colors. All from just 3 dies. Easy to do at home, people. You only need 3.
You only need 3 to make a rainbow.
Yep. Just gotta have the right 3. Get in our folds. I always say, you know, the folds on the back side are always the tightest folds. So you gotta work the hardest to get in those. Ooh, that's gonna look good. Just how that ran down like that. Did you see it? Oh man, that's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Can y'all hear this? I wonder, like, we try to filter out a lot of that noise, but stuff like that, there's no way to get rid of that. Dragging down the road.
Like a little bit more green on this side.
Oh yeah, that's a good amount of green.
Okay. I think we are looking good, and we're
I
going
think
to go
so,
over
too.
to the drying
The
rack.
extended stay. Ow. The extended stay we go. To the drying rack. Bottom shelf. Look at that. There she sits. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all in 24 hours. So, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.